Now let's study about another important system, that is nervous system. This figure depicts the nervous system of the earthworm and associated structure. As it can be seen from the figure, the nervous system of the earthworm is ganglionated, that is, possesses ganglia. Nerve ganglia are formed by the combination of nerve cells of the corresponding segment. Thus, accordingly, for different segments, the combination of nerve cells results into the formation of nerve ganglia. Now, as it can be seen from the figure, one pair of nerve ganglia is found on the ventral surface of each segment after the fifth segment, which is known as ventral nerve cord or ventral cord ganglia. Therefore, ventral nerve cord is found at the ventral surface, or the nerve ganglia found at the ventral surface of each segment. At the dorsal side of pharynx, there is another pair of ganglia known as supraesophageal ganglia, which is found in the third segment. Then another pair of ganglia, which is known as subpharyngeal ganglia, is found at the posterior part of the ventral side of the third segment, that is this portion. Now these two pairs of ganglia, that is supraesophageal and subesophageal ganglia, are connected to each other via circumesophageal ganglia, which occurs in a pair. Circumesophageal ganglia is also known as nerve collar. These pairs of supraesophageal, subesophageal and circumesophageal ganglia together combine to form a nerve ring. Thus, nerve ring is formed by the combination of all three types of ganglia. These nerve rings compiles the information and reacts immediately by making the body muscles to implement it. Thus, it helps in collecting the information and transferring to the body for execution. In earthworm, specific sensory organs like eyes are not present. Only sensory cells of the body wall perform as sensory receptive organs, which comprises of sensory cells. These receptor organs consist of cells that are inspired by the intensity of light, vibration of land, intensity of any sound. Some of these cells are specialized or inspired by some chemical substances or instigator. Thus, these sensory cells senses in response to light, sound, chemicals.